I'll go into part 2. You just couldn't wait, could ya?
Hand me that paper towel.
Why? What'd you break?
You don't want to do an oil change on this.
I thought you said the oil was good.
Yeah, but I think he left the filter loose.
Oh. Okay.
It is absolutely fucking everywhere down on this side.
Is that what's on the side too?
Yeah, there's oil everywhere down this side. Okay. The connection at the starter is a little different in this guy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's not a little crazy. Alright.
So you just take the doors off, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a Jeep thing. What do you mean low battery? Oh, the screen turns off. Okay. What? I need a pair of tripods.
Alright, let's close the hood. Put the battery up, close the hood.
Hey!
Where's the oil gauge?
Is it? Yeah, check gauge. See how it says check gauge?
That's good oil pressure.
Well, where's the oil pressure gauge?
Right here.
Is it going up? Because it might be drive-by.
Let's just go down with that.
It's going. Is it going up?
No.
No, it's not.
Fire up. So.
Yeah.
Go ahead and make your phone call. Tell everyone to fire it up. And chalk that tire.
I did chalk it.
Okay.
We're good. We're good and chalked. So.
Clutch feels good.
Does it?
Yeah, fucking
That's
clutch
good.
feels great.
Good, 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 good. So we got to get that fucking. We gotta check that sensor then, because the oil pressure
With
gauge
the
wasn't
amount
moving
of
at all.
Oil over there? It probably is that sensor. Alright, let me figure out how the release works. Guys, unlock it.
Oh, is there a lock?
Yes.
I didn't realize there was a lock on it.
If you look at connectors, a little red tab, there's always a lock. That means there's a lock. So you gotta push the lock over. Sometimes you need a screwdriver or something. You got a screwdriver handy?
Might in the car, maybe.
Just a little lock over. There's a fucking stupid Jeep.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we've moved the Jeep in the garage, put it up on jack stands, and we're going to be taking the oil pan down to replace the oil pump. So that's the plan for today. Hopefully it'll get the motor running with oil pressure. Yeah, it's under there working right now. We weren't able to get the skid plate off, which means we can't get the exhaust off. So we're going to take the starter off and see if we can wiggle this out without taking the exhaust off. People say you can't do it, but we're going to try. Okay, so in our trying to get the starter out, we found out that they are a specific size. They're an E12 torque set. If you read the manual, you'll see that we didn't know, so I had to run out and get some. So I'm back. Yeah, so we're gonna pull the starter and then we'll So, take the last bolt off now. Let's see if we can get this out without having to do anything else to the exhaust. Oh, alright. You're right off in the socket. Down. Question is,
Oh, there's what stuff there.
oh, we were gonna try to wiggle it?
Yeah.
It's not gonna come down, is it?
No. I'll have to cut it on the flat over there.
Like over here?
Yeah. Right about here.
Okay.
I would just loosen the opposite corner,
Oh, so like, oh, I see what you mean.
and then take the others out. So, and then just slide
Slide it over.
yeah, that way nothing comes falling out. Oh, you gotta loosen.
Huh? What? Oh, this?
Yeah.
She'll just loosen it. It won't really spin. No, it's got the whole bolt's gotta come out.
No, the whole bolt doesn't have to come out. We'll just spin it on that bolt instead.
Okay.
Yeah, just drop it. This one almost looks like it has something in it.
A gasket, yeah. This is just like a little paper gasket or something, probably.
That's what it looks like.
Bless you.
They probably did it because maybe they were having
Bless
issues
you.
of.
They got Chaz to sneeze. I was wondering if you sneezed.
As long as it's saying loose. Loosen that. Take that one all the way out. Once it's loose. Can you slide it just a little bit? Nope.